Today, we have something really exciting to unbox and review. It's the GALAX XANOVA Deimos Luxe Senior Gaming Mousepad. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The mousepad features a Speedy Cloth surface, which is perfect for gaming. It also comes with RGB lighting, which adds a cool, customizable touch to your gaming setup. You can choose from 6 different lighting effects and adjust the brightness to 5 different levels, giving you plenty of options to match your setup. One thing I really like about this mousepad is that it has easy-to-operate buttons for controlling the lighting effects, and you don't need to install any drivers to use them. The mousepad comes with a 1.8 meters long cable, which should be long enough for most setups. Now, let's talk about performance. The mousepad's special microtexture and optimized surface coating ensure that your mouse moves smoothly and accurately, giving you the edge you need in competitive gaming. Overall, I'm really impressed with the GALAX XANOVA Deimos Luxe Senior Gaming Mousepad. It feels premium, looks great with its RGB lighting, and most importantly, it enhances my gaming experience. For the price of only ₹1,000, it's definitely worth it. I highly recommend it. That's it for this quick unboxing. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I'll drop the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.